Hello traders, hello everyone, my name is Gregor and welcome to our new episode of Surfing the Elliott Waves, where I will look at some of the most interesting developments for this week. This video has been brought to you by Orbex. So I will take a look at the S&P 500, Aussie, Swiss franc, dollar yen and silver. So we have seen some very nice reversal here, as you can see on the hourly chart on the S&P 500 yesterday, meaning that those highs from June acted as a resistance. So ideally we are still in this ABC correction, which could actually be a flat. We have seen a very sharp drop, looks like an impulse, so watch out for this trend line support. If will be broken, I think that much more damage could be seen here within this wave C, which is missing to complete this correction. So actually we may see this market chopping around, but still with the lower price action away from the resistance in the upcoming weeks. Now, if the risk of would really be in the cards, then of course I still think that Aussie dollar would come lower. There is very strong resistance that is not being broken yet here from start of the year, and looks like that we are here also missing this wave C. So here's this 4-hour chart, and I see very sharp reversal here in three waves. Ideally that's wave A of a flat, and now you have also a free wave rise, maybe with a wedge in wave C. So watch out for weakness down into wave C back to these June lows, which I think could be triggered, especially when you have this trend line broken of this corrective channel for a wave B. If stocks would come down, not only Aussie dollar, even dollar Swiss could recover. Okay, because dollar could then be bought across the board. So here, firstly, on daily chart, it's a very long, very frustrating and deep corrective retracement. We are now at the 78.6%, which is the last fib level that should limit these current losses. And what I'm looking at on the 4-hour chart here is actually potential 5 waves down here. I can count in wave C, okay, and meaning that this pair could be bottoming very soon, especially if we consider that maybe that's an ending diagonal, maybe still in process here for a wave 5, or maybe wave 5 already ended here, but sooner or later I think that bulls could take us higher. Of course, it will be very important for me to see this 94.52 broken and confirmed by daily close above this level to make sure that we are bottoming here. Also, you have some divergence here on the RSI, indicating that bears can be losing strength here. Now let's take a look also on dollar yen. Now it's very interesting to see dollar yen holding this support and even rising with 5 waves despite stocks coming to the downside. So what this tells you? It tells you that dollar is much better safe haven when comparing to other majors rather than dollar yen comparing to other majors. So you may see dollar pairs making much better moves. And what I see here on dollar yen 4-hour chart is a very nice rise here away from 106 level. That was retraced only by 3 waves, and in fact this 3-wave drop stopped at this swing support here at 106.80, close to 61.8% from where we have seen a reaction back to the upside. So this is actually confirming price action, because as long this market is not reacting away from the support, this support may not be important. But so far we have seen a very nice rise. We are now already at this trend line resistance, so I'm thinking about this breakout that can finally lift us back above 108 level. And now final market I want to take a look at is going to be silver. Now silver is definitely at some very important levels. We have seen here this spike around $19 back at the start of the year, and then again in late February, and now we are again at this level. So I'm thinking that this should be important potential resistance level, especially if we also consider that I can count 5 waves up. Okay, so we know that after every 5 waves market could slow down. Of course, 5th waves can always be extended, or the structure can always change until you see a reversal in the price action, meaning a very strong drop. But I just think we have to be aware of potential limited upside here. Don't be surprised by a reversal. If you see a 5-wave fall on a smaller degree time frame charts, that could be your trigger to look maybe to even lower prices. Now looking at the 4-hour chart here, I think it's important to I will just update this one a little bit. This is important to note that we have seen this breakout of a triangle here, okay, from a fourth wave, and we have seen 5 waves up here within wave 5. So maybe top is not far away, maybe already been triggered here, and we could see more weakness, especially when this trendline support of this impulse channel within wave 5 is going to be broken. Also, you have some divergence here on the RSIs as well. So a daily close below this trend line, I think, could trigger more weakness. Traders, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like it, share it, or leave a comment below. Thank you and have a good day.